Today we're going to read a book called Peanuts by Tracy Taylor. We're reading the book today because we're trying to figure out, why did Tracy Taylor write this book? What does Tracy want us to know and understand? Look for clues while I'm reading, and at the end, I want you to tell your teacher on a Seesaw video, why did the author write this book? So while I'm reading, I want you to listen to the words and look closely at the pictures for some clues. Peanuts by Tracy Taylor. These are peanuts. We love to eat peanuts. Peanuts are seeds. We put the peanuts in the ground. Peanuts grow on plants. Then, lots of peanuts come from plants. We take the peanuts. Peanuts come in shells. Here are peanuts in a shell. We get the peanuts out of the shell to eat them. This is peanut butter. We make peanut butter from peanuts. We can make peanut butter like this. And we can make peanut butter like this. We eat it on crackers. We like it with bananas. We can make cookies with peanut butter. We love to eat peanut butter with jelly. Or we can eat it with a spoon. We love it with chocolate too. Look at the map where peanuts are grown. The orange color means peanuts. We live here in Florida. Now, why do you think Tracy Taylor wrote this book about peanuts? What does she want you to know? What does she want you to learn? Take a video of yourself on Seesaw and tell your teacher, why did Tracy Taylor write this book? What was the author's purpose?